Welcome to Phu Quoc Island, Vietnam's hidden gem in the Gulf of Thailand. This tropical paradise isn't just about white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. It's packed with jaw-dropping facts, wild adventures, and secrets you won't believe exist in Southeast Asia. From the world's longest overwater cable car to UNESCO-protected rainforests. From legendary fish sauce factories to sunsets that will leave you speechless. Phu Quoc is where culture meets luxury and nature meets magic. If you're dreaming of a destination that's off the beaten path but full of unforgettable moments, this island should be at the top of your Vietnam travel bucket list. Stick around as we dive into 10 surprising and fascinating facts about Phu Quoc and why it might just be your next favorite getaway. Largest island in Vietnam. Phu Quoc Island isn't just a beach paradise, it's also the largest island in Vietnam, covering an impressive 574 square kilometers. Nestled in the Gulf of Thailand, this tropical gem is often referred to as the Pearl Island, due to its natural beauty and cultural significance. With its size, Phu Quoc boasts an incredible variety of landscapes, from powdery white sand beaches to lush forests and scenic mountains. For those planning Vietnam beach holidays, Phu Quoc offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure, with plenty of space to explore off-the-beaten-path areas without the crowds. Whether you're sunbathing on Bai Sao, trekking through Phu Quoc National Park, or simply cruising along the coastline on a motorbike, the vastness of this island ensures there's something for every type of traveler. Plus, being the largest island means it can support a variety of attractions, from vibrant night markets to luxury resorts, making Phu Quoc a well-rounded travel destination for couples, families, and solo adventurers. If you're searching for a tropical escape with variety, serenity, and unforgettable views, Phu Quoc is the place to go. Home to the world's longest sea cable car. One of the most thrilling Phu Quoc tourist attractions is the Han Tom cable car, the longest sea-crossing cable car in the world. Stretching nearly 8 kilometers across turquoise waters, this engineering marvel connects An Thoi Town on Phu Quoc Island to Han Tom, Pineapple Island. The ride offers jaw-dropping aerial views of the An Thoi archipelago, dotted with tiny islands, coral reefs, and fishing boats. What makes it even more spectacular is the chance to watch the vibrant marine life from above, a perspective few travelers get to enjoy. The Han Tom cable car is more than just a ride. It's a full-blown travel experience that blends adventure, scenery, and convenience. At the end of the ride, visitors land on Sun World Han Tom Nature Park, where water parks, beachfront activities, and dining options await. If you're curating a list of must-do Phu Quoc activities, don't skip this unforgettable journey through the sky. It is a family-friendly and Instagram-worthy experience that showcases why Phu Quoc is becoming one of the most exciting beach destinations in Southeast Asia. 3 famous for fish sauce production. Phu Quoc Island is renowned not just for its beaches, but also for producing the most premium Vietnamese fish sauce, known locally as Nuoc Mam. What makes Phu Quoc fish sauce so special is the traditional fermentation process using anchovies caught in local waters and aged in large wooden barrels for over a year. The result is a rich, amber-colored sauce that's considered a culinary treasure, even earning protected designation of origin status from the EU. When you explore Phu Quoc cultural experiences, visiting a fish sauce factory is a must. Many local producers open their doors for guided tours, where visitors can learn about the fermentation techniques passed down through generations. It's a pungent but fascinating part of the island's heritage. Plus, you can pick up a bottle of authentic Phu Quoc fish sauce as a flavorful souvenir. For food lovers and culture seekers alike, diving into this part of Phu Quoc's economy reveals how the island blends natural resources with time-honored traditions, making it a truly special place to visit in Vietnam. Pristine white sand beaches. Phu Quoc is home to some of the most beautiful white sand beaches in Vietnam, making it a go-to spot for beach lovers. From the powdery shores of Bai Sao Beach to the long golden stretches of Bai Truong, Long Beach, Phu Quoc has it all. These beaches are framed by turquoise waters, palm trees, and peaceful vibes, perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or simply lounging in a hammock with a coconut in hand. If you're planning a tropical getaway, Phu Quoc beach resorts provide a luxurious base to enjoy it all, ranging from eco-friendly bungalows to five-star retreats. Many travelers also enjoy beachfront dining, sunset cocktails, and water activities like jet skiing or kayaking. Unlike more crowded beach destinations, Phu Quoc's beaches still maintain a laid-back, untouched charm. For couples, families, and digital nomads alike, these beaches offer the perfect mix of serenity and scenery. Whether you're there for relaxation or adventure, Phu Quoc's pristine shores won't disappoint. UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Phu Quoc Island is not just about luxury and leisure, it's also a haven for nature lovers. In 2006, the island was designated as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, highlighting its ecological significance and efforts toward environmental sustainability. The northern part of the island is covered by Phu Quoc National Park, which houses dense tropical rainforests, rare wildlife species, and unspoiled hiking trails. For those passionate about ecotourism in Vietnam, this is the place to go. Visitors can trek through shaded jungles, spot hornbills and macaques, or swim beneath waterfalls like Soi Tran. The park also protects marine areas with coral reefs and seagrass beds, supporting eco-friendly snorkeling and diving excursions. This recognition by UNESCO ensures that development on the island remains balanced with conservation, offering travelers a chance to enjoy Vietnam's natural beauty without harming it. With its rich biodiversity and commitment to preservation, Phu Quoc is setting the standard for sustainable tourism in Southeast Asia. Night Market Paradise. When the sun sets in Phu Quoc, the island truly comes alive at the Din Khao Night Market, a bustling destination for food, souvenirs, and fun. Located in Duong Dong Town, this lively strip offers everything from fresh seafood skewers and Vietnamese street food to handcrafted jewelry and local art. It's a must-visit for anyone interested in Phu Quoc nightlife beyond beach bars and resorts. The market opens every evening and draws both locals and tourists looking to sample squid on a stick, grilled oysters, or Phu Quoc's famous sea urchin. You'll also find stalls selling locally made fish sauce, black pepper, and pearl jewelry. Great gifts to take home. The vibe is vibrant, friendly, and distinctly Vietnamese, making it the perfect place to connect with local culture. Whether you're there to eat, shop, or people watch, a walk through this night market is a memorable way to spend your evening in Phu Quoc. Home to unique black pepper farms, Phu Quoc Island's fertile soil and tropical climate make it an ideal location for growing premium black pepper, one of its most sought-after agricultural exports. Visiting a black pepper farm is a unique way to experience the Phu Quoc local food scene, especially for culinary enthusiasts. These family-run farms offer guided tours that walk you through pepper gardens where the plants climb wooden trellises, creating tunnels of greenery. You'll learn about the entire process, from cultivation to drying and packaging. The pepper grown here is known for its strong aroma and spicy flavor, making it a favorite among chefs worldwide. Many farms also let you taste freshly ground pepper and buy vacuum-sealed packs to take home. Beyond its culinary use, black pepper plays an essential role in local cuisine and medicine, often used in traditional Vietnamese remedies. For travelers who want to go beyond the beach and dive into authentic local culture, a black pepper farm tour is an insightful and flavorful experience. Clear waters, ideal for snorkeling. With its crystal clear waters and vibrant coral reefs, Phu Quoc is a paradise for underwater lovers. The best snorkeling spots are found around the An Thoi archipelago in the south and the smaller islets near the north like Fingernail Island and Turtle Island. Here, you'll encounter colorful fish, hard and soft corals, and sometimes even sea turtles. If you're planning a tropical escape, make sure to include snorkeling in Phu Quoc on your itinerary. You can join guided boat tours that include lunch, equipment, and stops at multiple snorkeling sites. The waters are calm and shallow in many areas, making it ideal even for beginners and families. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned snorkeler, the marine biodiversity around Phu Quoc offers a mesmerizing underwater experience. For an extra thrill, try night snorkeling, where the reefs come alive in a whole new way under your flashlight. It's a must-do for anyone exploring Vietnam's island adventures. Sunsets on Long Beach are iconic. Long Beach, Bai Truong, in Phu Quoc is legendary for its breathtaking sunsets, drawing travelers from around the world. Stretching over 20 kilometers along the island's western coast, this beach offers wide-open views of the horizon where the sky explodes in colors: fiery orange, soft lavender, and deep crimson. If you're looking for the most romantic sunset spots in Vietnam, Long Beach tops the list. Many beachfront resorts and bars offer sunset happy hours with lounge chairs and cocktails, creating the perfect setting for honeymooners or anyone seeking a picture-perfect moment. Some even offer fire shows and live music after sundown. Whether you choose to watch from a hammock, paddleboard, or beanbag at a rustic beach bar, the sunsets here are nothing short of magical. It's a daily spectacle that makes you appreciate the slow pace and natural charm of Phu Quoc Island. Luxury meets nature. Phu Quoc has rapidly evolved into a hub for luxury eco-resorts in Vietnam, where travelers can unwind in style while surrounded by untouched nature. From overwater villas and private infinity pools to jungle retreats with holistic spas, the island blends opulence with sustainability. Resorts like Fusion Resort, JW Marriott, and Intercontinental have redefined the standard of luxury on this tropical island. Many properties are built with natural materials, offer organic dining experiences, and actively support conservation projects. This unique balance of indulgence and eco-consciousness makes Phu Quoc an ideal destination for travelers seeking comfort without guilt. Whether you're planning a wellness retreat, romantic honeymoon, or a once-in-a-lifetime escape, Phu Quoc's luxury resorts offer a level of relaxation that's hard to match. When it comes to luxury beach holidays in Vietnam, Phu Quoc continues to shine as a rising star on the global map. If you enjoyed discovering the magic of Phu Quoc, hit that like button, subscribe for more hidden gems in Southeast Asia, and drop a comment below. What surprised you the most about this island paradise? Until next time, keep exploring, and maybe we'll see you in Phu Quoc.